Today, I'll walk you through how to insert A4 paper sizes into OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your paper size so you can make your notes look professional and organized. First, let's open OneNote and navigate to the notebook you want to modify. This is your canvas, so make sure you have the right notebook open. Take your time to find it if needed. Once you're in your desired notebook, the next step is to go to the View tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find various options to customize your note-taking experience. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The functionality remains the same. Now click on Paper Size. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Here you can choose the dimensions of your paper, which is essential for ensuring your notes fit perfectly on A4 paper. From the drop-down menu, select A4. This will adjust your paper size to the standard A4 dimensions, which is great for printing or sharing your notes later. It's like setting the right frame for a picture. Next, check if all your content fits within the newly selected A4 paper size. Take a moment to review your notes and see if anything is spilling over the edges. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so don't rush. If you find that some content is too large or doesn't fit, you can resize it. Click on the edge of the content box, hold it, and drag it until everything fits nicely within the A4 size. Think of it like adjusting the size of a window to let in just the right amount of light. You want everything to be visible and well organized. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted A4 paper sizes into OneNote. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your notes are presented and shared. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.